Let's study anti-parallel vectors. We have already studied parallel vectors in the previous video. You can refer. And now it is anti-parallel vectors. Anti-parallel vector is how can be it defined? Then this is same as parallel vectors, but here the theta is 180 degree. Okay. It can be defined as they are collinear vectors. Collinear means parallel or in the same line. They are collinear vectors. Angle between them is 180 degree. Okay. Any more points? Angle between them is 180 degree means what? Exactly direction. Okay, 180 degree means you can see this is vector 1, vector A. Okay, and if it is here, it is vector B. What is this? Extended, this angle is 180 degree. Okay, they are in exactly opposite direction. This is the case of anti-parallel vector. They are exactly opposite in direction. Okay, its arithmetic is same like parallel vectors, but here only one difference is that here the theta is 180 degree. Okay, angle between them is 180 degree. It is the major point of definition, defining point. Here this is the main defining point. Theta is 180 degree. Okay, now let's see its condition. How can we recognize that the vectors are anti-parallel? Condition for this, let's see. In parallel vectors we have already seen vector A should be constant multiple of, that is a scalar multiple of vector B. Okay, where let it be the two vector. Here let me explain at first. The value of k, if value of k is negative, if value of k is negative, it means what? Then vectors are anti-parallel. Okay, if value of k is negative, this is the point, then the vectors are anti-parallel. If the value of k is negative, it means theta equals to 180 degree, and if k equals to positive, then theta will be 0 degree. If k is positive, then theta is 0 degree. So this is a case of parallel vectors. Okay, and if theta is 180 degree, it means k is in minus sign, that is negative, then the vectors are anti-parallel. Let us take an example. Suppose that vector A equals to, let it be 3 and 4. Okay, and vector B is let it be, suppose that it is minus 9 and it is minus 12. Okay, then vector B can be further expressed as minus 3 taken as common and into this 3 and 4. Then here we see what? This minus 3. This is a notation like k vector A. Okay, because vector A is, this is in this place we put vector A. Okay, for 3 and 4 we put directly vector A. Then B became equal to k vector A, and here k is what? K is equals to minus 3, that is negative. So it is what? Anti-parallel. Okay, this is one example. If vector A is 3, 4 and vector B is minus 9, minus 12. Okay, then minus 9, minus 12 can be further expressed as taking minus 3 is common into 3, 4. Okay, 3 3 are 9 and 3 4 are 12. Okay, then taking minus 3 common, we got this, and this is what? 3 4 is vector A. 3 4 is vector A. So putting vector A in the place of 3 4, we have this, and for minus 3 we put k, and B came in this form, which is synonymous with this form. Okay, which came in this form. Okay, and here k is what? K is this minus 3, and minus 3 is what? Negative means anti-parallel. Okay, thank you.